Hey everyone, this is our Which Maniacal Laugh car horn number 1. This is our wireless version of the horn here, guys. It comes with one remote control. Quick and easy installation. Your black wire comes from your horn to go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or just anywhere you got a good ground source. Red wire comes from your horn, goes to a 12 volt power source. Could be your battery or fuse, just anywhere you have a good 12 volt power source. So this is our Which Maniacal Laugh wireless car horn. This is our number 1 version.